Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will introduce the new batch upload feature. With this feature, you can upload numerous files at once and designate where you want those files to go. Let us log into the Caseworker portal. From the home page, we will focus on the Tools drop-down menu. When expanded, we will see Batch Upload. A pop-up will appear. From here, you can drag numerous files at once. Once you have those files dragged, you will focus your attention to the bottom portion. You will first want to locate the client profile. Start typing a client's name until a match appears. You may also search for a case you are working on. Same as with the client profile. You will start typing out case details until a match appears. We will now see the documents we dragged earlier. We will go one by one dictating where these documents will go. Let us focus on the Type drop-down menu. We will see a couple options. The first is Case Documents, meaning this file will be sent to the document section of the case profile we tagged. The next couple options are Client Profile options, which are Client Passport, Client I-94, Client Visa, Client User Defined, and Client Document. These sections are located in the Client Profile. If you expand the Documents tab, you will see Passports, I-94s, Visas, User-Defined Documents, and other. You will now go one by one determining where to send each document. If selecting to send to Case Documents, you will be asked who you received it from. You can select that option here. If selecting User-Defined Documents, you can determine the type here. Once you've determined where each one will go, you will finalize by clicking Upload. The files will begin to upload. You will see a percentage status, letting you know how much has been uploaded, and finally, you will see the status as complete. The documents have now been uploaded to its selected spots. You can now go into the client's profile and add additional info to these documents if necessary. If you look in the logs of the client profile, a system log has been created letting you know that the files were uploaded via the batch upload. Simple, right? Now, before we end this video, a couple things to be aware of. There is a limit of 20 megabytes per document. If you try and upload something bigger than that, the software won't take it into account. Also, it is important to note that in order to upload client-specific documents into a client profile, you must have a client profile already created. If you want to upload case-specific documents, you must also already have a case profile created. This concludes our video on batch uploads. Thank you for watching.